My friends and I always say we are going to ship something every week, but we never do. So we built a smart contract that makes our excuses expensive and turns them into our next group win. I'm sure every group chat has the same cycle. Someone says, "Oh, I'm finally shipping this," and then people reply, "Let's go." But then 2 weeks later, nothing has happened, and nobody says anything because nobody has anything real on the line. So, what is Bondline? Bondline is a group commitment protocol. You and your friends form a circle, and each circle gets its own pots, which is like its own on-chain fund. You put a bond on the line and stake against a deadline that you set. When you are done, you declare it, and then it gets confirmed by your circle mates. And if not, you lose the stake, and it goes into the pots of the group, which can then be used to fund any of the groups, adventure or outside later. And we deploy this on mainnet because we need to demonstrate. And so basically, I'm going to show how it works. You come here to circle. There's a couple of circles. You create a new circle, name it, add it to members, and you can decide to go into your circle. This is my circle, for example. I have created a few deadlines and I've met some, and then this other person created, but then this wasn't validated and he lost it, and that's why we have it in the pots. You can also like configure your name so it doesn't just show addresses here. You customize your circle and then put all of that, and also there's like a chat box here where you can like talk around it and then like just like demonstrate it. And then this is the multi-sig aspect of the pots. Eventually you can decide on how you want to like spend it, and then it's going to like require, depending on what was configured when this cycle was created, how many people to consign. And I could also like come out here and to see other circles. These are other circles that I'm not in. If I go ahead and check them, I can only like see the activity. I can't really see much. I can see this person added a banner, and I can't see their discussion as well. So that's basically how bond line work. And to demonstrate, I can just like do one more. I'm going to my circle and just like create another deadline. So just like demonstrate that, and I'm going to just do this. Now then I stake. So now that I've staked, depending on whether I'm done or not, I can now decide to just like click on here to ship or not, and I can like just like put like maybe like a demo or a screenshot link